20 years ago, June and Gary Voy embarked on their mission to showcase the best of Scotland to guests from all over the world. They named their new dream after the area of Edinburgh where they lived, and thus, Timberbush Tours was born. Back in 1998, we started off with just one route and 2 passengers. Today we offer a wide range of tours of the Scottish Highlands and beyond, with daily departures from Edinburgh and Glasgow. What began as a family-run business has now become a Timberbush family, with over 50 members of staff and driver guides, and that one bus has turned into a fleet of our very own contemporary air-conditioned coaches. "20 years on, a lot has changed, but not our goal: to provide the best tours, the best buses, the best service, and the best way to experience Scotland." Start your Timberbush journey today.